In this video, we are going to create our Data Studio report from scratch. Let's jump right into it. Open Data Studio, select Blank Report. Click on your data source. Here I am using Google Analytics. Select the account and property you want to connect and click Add. A blank report is created. In the last video, we created the report from a template, and now I'm going to recreate the similar looking report, or maybe even better. Let me give you the basic overview of the interface first. This is the top menu where you can add different elements in charts. The right menu has two sections. One allows you to edit data fields and the other allows you to edit chart styles. So let's start. First, let us add title to the report. Select the text option. I'm going to write Google Analytics report. There's a background also, so let's add. Select rectangle from shapes. Again, you can design it any way you want. I'm just doing it to sort of recreate our previous report. As you can see in the report, there is a selector from where you can select the date range. This is called a control. To add this, come to add a control and select date range control. From here, you can add a range of dates for which you want your data to be reported. I have added one more text with background just like the previous one. The next element we are going to add is this, the box which shows a single metric. This is called a scorecard. You also have an option to compare your present data with the past data. Under chart setup, go to comparison and add a period. Now the comparison is shown in the form of percentage increase or decrease. Now to style, I'm going to change the text color and also centrally align the text. I want the border as well, so add border shadow. It gives a bit of 3D effect which kinda looks cool. Now let's come to the charts. There are three types of charts in this report, namely timeline, JIO chart and bar chart, and also a table. You can add it from here. Let's add one by one, then we'll see how to style them. So the timeline chart is showing sessions over time in the form of a line chart. For every chart, you can modify dimensions and metrics. As here you can see the dimension is date and metric is sessions. You can add more metrics from here. So in case you want views also included in the chart, go to metrics and select from here. If you also want to make a comparison, scroll down to comparison and select the period. Now it is showing both what are the views on that day and the views of 30 days before, which are shown in light blue line. You can change the colors and fonts from the style section. I don't feel the need to change. You can do it if you want. Now the JIO chart is pretty much straightforward. If you have a data regarding countries, you can use JIO charts in your reports. Here the dimension is country and metric is sessions. Bar chart is useful for comparison between subgroups. Here we are making comparison between different channels that brought traffic. Here the dimension should be channel grouping and the metric is sessions. We can add views as a metric also. And at last we are going to add a table. There are various types of tables you can add. We are going to add tables with bars. Again, dimension is a country and metric is session. I'm also going to add views here as a metric. So adding some more text in customization, this is how our final result looks like. That's all for this video, guys. Of course, there are a lot of features in Studio and we only covered a few of them. In the next videos, I'm going to cover some advanced features of Data Studio like filters. So stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video and thank you for watching.